my latest project on the valve theme, a Ferguson Flair radio FLAIR. It's a battery only valve radio. It came from a guy called Peter on the UK Vintage Radio Repair and Restoration Forum.
For the first time, Paul, do they look like a team that are struggling?
No on off switch.
Yeah, they do.
It's this, as soon as it's released, when the lid is opened, it puts power on, 1.5 volts and 90 volts from a battery.
Never ever worked on, so it's very, very difficult.
Volume, medium wave, long wave, and the dial. Weak signal. Mostly sports on a Saturday. Local Asian station.
No, it's been hard for him. And he's just got a
Talk sports. Something else at the top end. As I say, battery portable. Turn it round and open it up. You can see what I've got. I'll turn it off a minute. 4 valves, typical 4 valves. That's quite popular on these radios. Battery valves with 1.5 volt heaters. That's the on-off switch. Nice big speaker for the size of the box. What I've actually done is I've added a small piece of plywood, 3mm plywood, attached to D cells, and I've got a hole in it to accept a box of 10 PP3 batteries as I buy them. I have actually soldered to the top of them, but that was a mistake. It's had a couple of caps replaced and a couple of resistors that have gone high value. The caps have gone leaky, including the main smoothing cap. On a battery portable, you certainly do not want any caps that are drawing their own current. It'll only drain the battery even further. But it's a nice little hand portable, transportable or picnic radio or whatever you want to call it.
coming together. He's not trodden his ankle or done anything. The player's got
2 little clips and fairly neat little radio. This is a quick look at the circuit for the Ferguson Flair. It's trader sheet 1472, which is available as a pack from the BVWS, or British Vintage Wireless Society. I've highlighted the components I have changed here. The capacitors 5, 11, 14, 20, 23 and 24 are a mixture of 2 20 nanofarad, then 3 and 2 nanofarad. Those are the ones that were on this one when I measured them, showing about 5 meg ohms. I also replaced the smoothing cap C22, which on the older Flair that this one is a 32 mic. It's pointless having a battery portable unit that's got any leakage on any caps because they're only draining the battery. Of the resistors that I've checked, R17, R20 and R13 were all high, past the 20% tolerances, a 2.2 meg, a 10 meg and a 4.7 meg. Other than that, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 components changed, and I built up a battery packs and stuff like that. This is what I'm going to use next time when I have to replace the battery, which is a load of, well, it's 10 PP3 battery clips, wide in series to give us 90 volts, rather than trying to solder to the actual battery terminals themselves, because if the plastic melts it soon goes open circuit. Right, that's it. There's not a lot else to add. There was two versions of Flair. The older one, 1957, the later version, which is a 346B according to the data sheet, came out in 1959, and that had a printed circuit board and a few component changes from the older version. The valve lineup is the battery valves, DK96, a DF96, a DAF96 and a DL96, which is the audio output stage. Only a few hundred milliwatts rather, but it's loud enough. Okay, thanks for watching.